Hello everyone! In this simulation, we're going to look at the combined resistance of two resistors in series. The two resistors in the circuit are 10 and 100 ohms. How can you use the quantities being measured in the meters in the circuit to work out the total resistance? Yes, we can find the potential difference across the power supply and the current. Then say that the resistance using Ohm's law is equals to the potential difference divided by the current. So what does this give for the total resistance? It gives the value of 110 ohms. How do you get this value from the values of the two resistors? Recall that the resistors have a value of 10 ohms and 100 ohms. So yes, we add the two values. The total resistance for the resistors in series is simply the sum of the separate resistors. This is generally written as R total equals R1 plus R2, but works for any number of resistors. The equation can be derived from the fact that the potential difference across the resistors in series add up to the potential difference across the supply using Kirchhoff's second law, and this can be written as V total equals V1 plus V2, as the current is the same all over the series circuit, and the voltage is equals to the current multiplied by the resistance. Therefore, the equation becomes I times R total equals to I times R1 plus I times R2. And then we divide both sides by the current to obtain R total equals to R1 plus R2. Now, if for example you have 5 identical resistors of resistance R in series, what would the total resistance be? Yes, it would be 5R. When you are doing calculations, remember that the total resistance for resistors in series will always be more than the resistance of any of individual resistors.